Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. What is it, the 2nd? It is Friday, April 2nd. And yeah, we're going to follow Kathy around and see what we sold today.
Alright, so I do not have a sticky today. I just kind of moved them over to the sold spreadsheet and put the letters over here. So first up, we're going to do eBay and box U. So this Ted Baker, it's a bow tie, and I got this at TJ Maxx on their yellow tag sale for just $1. And it sold, oh great, for $13.31 plus shipping. So $1 into $13.31 plus ship. And yeah, it's going to New Jersey. It only costs $3.35 to ship out.
We have had that one for quite a while. I actually remember that one.
Like too long. I mean,
How long?
we've had it since September, but I didn't list it till like a couple months ago.
September?
I think
feel
I've
like
listed it on eBay like 2 times, so
Okay.
it's probably been listed for like about 90 days.
My brain must be dumb because I feel like we've had that for like a year.
We did have it, but I didn't know what it was. Like, I knew it was a tie, but I was like,
Because it's a weird
how does
two-piece. It's a
Yeah,
two-piece
like,
bow tie,
I
right?
just didn't understand how that could turn
Yeah.
into a bow tie, so we watched a YouTube video about it. Now we know.
If you can't tell, we're not tie people. I think I've worn a tie maybe 10 times in my life.
Okay, so next up is a Tommy Bahama, one of these little mermaid dresses. So yep, this sold for $16.87 free shipping. And that's shipping out for $3.51 to Arizona, and I had $3.50 into it from also. Sorry, I'm going back and forth. So now I wanted to try to do it this way, so I didn't have to write this sticky every day, but I'd have to go back and forth from my spreadsheet to here to. Anyways, which I would rather do that just so I can tell you guys exact numbers and stuff.
Yeah.
All right.
And save a little time on sticky prep, right?
Yeah. All right, and then the next sale was in BH. There are these Kelly Hansen board shorts. So I sold the floral pair the other day, and these ones just sold for $26.66 plus shipping, and they're gonna cost me $3.51 to ship out. Yep. And then I bought those for $10 at Sierra Trading Post. All right, and then box S sold some Skechers Shape Up sandals. These I've had for a long time. We sold one pair the other day, but I bought 2 that same day. So these I've had since July of 2020, so almost a year. I did pay $7.99 for them at Goodwill. They sold for $30 free shipping. That was an offer I sent to a watcher, and I'll ship them out on a padded flat rate for $7.76. So I at least doubled my money, just not the best sale. Alright, and then box AE. So this is something we've had a while, but it sold quickly after I listed it to eBay. So it's a fly racing jersey. Is fly racing the same as, like, is it like motocross?
It looks like it's motocross related, like
I
Fox
thought it was
racing.
Fox racing when I bought it, and then I got it home and was like, fly racing, what is fly racing?
Yeah.
So, anyways, I bought this in January of 2019, so a really long time ago. I had only posted it to Posh, though, and I posted it as men's, and then someone asked if it was men's or women's, and then I was like, oh, I guess it could be women's. So then I took down the listing because I just wasn't sure. Wanted to do a little research about it, and then that took me like a year to do that research. And actually, I made Chris do it. But we found the same listing off Google somewhere, and it was listed as men's. So I relisted it as men's, and it sold on eBay in like a week after that. So $24.95 free shipping. I bought that at Goodwill for $2.99 over a year ago. So $24.95, and it's costing me $3.57 to ship out. So then we sold a pair of Clarks. I did pay up for these Clarks, $10.99. Wow. They were in really good shape though. So box CU. I normally will like pay $5 for Clarks because they sell around 30 usually. Yeah, so these looked like almost brand new, and I thought they were just like a nice style. I don't buy all Clarks for sure. But they sold for, and I've had these since October 2020, and they sold for $26.65 plus shipping. So they are under a pound. It's costing me $4.12 to ship them out. So yeah, I more than doubled my money, but I don't run out and spend $10.99 on all the Clarks that you find.
Right.
Alright, and actually this next one is this guy. If you watched our Oma haul, you saw this on there. It sold really, really fast.
Yeah.
And I kind of thought it would. I
was so tempted to keep it.
I know, you tried it on. It looks nice on him too.
Yeah.
And his dad is retired.
Retired Air Force, retired Army.
So we were like, should we give it to him? Because he would love that too. But, you know,
Yeah.
we figured if it didn't sell in a few months, we'd probably.
It would have been a good birthday present in May.
So yeah, we paid $12.99 for that in Omaha at the St. Vincent de Paul thrift store. I listed it for $59.95 plus shipping. I sent an offer of $49.95 plus shipping, and someone accepted just a few days after it got listed. So yeah, and actually it's only going to Texas, so even though it's going in a 5-pound box, it's only costing $9.25 to ship out since it's not too far away. So yeah, not too bad.
Duluth is a good brand to look out for, especially like the
that
big
was my first time
barn
selling
coats
it.
and
Like,
stuff.
I knew
right?
that it was a good brand to look out for, but I usually just don't find it, or
Yeah.
if I do, it's in really bad shape. All right, so after that, that was it for eBay. And then I had one Kitizen sale, and this was actually a Kitizen Facebook sale, which I have not had in months, like lots of months. All right, so it was this little Aladdin jewelry box toy thing.
Don't press the button.
Don't press the button.
That will
'cause
be
it sings the
demonetized.
song and-
Yeah.
So anyways, I did pay $7.99 for this at my local thrift store, and it sold for $25 plus shipping. The shipping was $9.50, and I paid that. So yeah, 8 into 25, not the best, not the worst. I just liked it. I thought it would sell well. It was Disney. It was new in box, still sealed, and I figured if it didn't sell, we'd give it as a birthday gift when our kids go back to birthday parties.
Do you want to
If
press?
there's ever birthday parties again.
Do you want to press the button?
I'll
Press the button. It does do some song. I'll have to silence the music.
I don't know. I liked jewelry boxes when I was a little girl, so.
So it does play that music, and Aladdin and Jasmine like float on the carpet a little bit, do a little mechanical movement.
So I got that in February, so just over a month to sell. And then the next up is box AD. This was just one of my son's shirts. It's just the brand Trilogy, which is like a small shop, and that has a Jimi Hendrix quote on the back. And I bought that off Mercari a while ago, in 2018, and then I think both my kids have worn it. I paid $15 for it, and it sold back on Mercari. Someone offered me $12 plus ship, and I accepted. So it looks like I'm negative $4 on that after all is said and done, but that's okay.
Yeah, we do sell our own clothes through our business. If you're new here. And so a lot of the stuff that, not a lot, but some of the stuff that we sell, we do take a loss on because it is our own personal stuff. So,
right. I mean, and that's, yeah, if we weren't resellers, we would lose $15.
Right, exactly.
We would just
donate it or sell it at a yard sale for $1 or less. So the fact that we're getting that much money back out, we're super happy with that, and passing it on to somebody else at a good price.
And then last sale so far, we're kind of early today. We might have more sales by end of day, maybe not. Last sale is a Mercari one as well, and it's in box AT. This was something that was gonna head to a yard sale or just get redonated. I've had it for almost 3 years. So I might have already pulled it out. All right, give me a minute. I'm probably in my garage sale box over here. if you want to see my garage sale. I need to delist all this stuff that I'd already pulled out. All right. So that's my garage sale box. It's just an Anteller Loft, like a utility jacket, gray. I dropped the price all the way down to $5. Hopefully someone would just buy it, and they did. So $5 plus shipping. I got it for 84 cents. And I got it in July of 2018. So yeah, almost 3 years. And I profited $3.21 off of it.
Totally worth it.
Yeah.
That stuff happens, guys, sometimes. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pack that stuff up, and we're really wanting to, I don't know, get this
We say
mess.
that every day, but then it's
Get
still
this
messy.
mess in order. We actually I did order some of these IKEA bags. I ordered a pack of 8. There's one over there on the floor.
I'm gonna pick those shoes up.
Yeah.
So yeah, all those shoes are photographed. I'm still working on listing. Chris has been busy with YouTube stuff, so normally he'll bag everything for me and then we'll put it away together, but he's been doing YouTube a lot and I've been just bagging as I list it, just to kind of get it out of the way, because then I weigh it, list it, put it away. But yeah, we're gonna just dump all the shoes in a bag. At least get them off the floor how they are.
Well, and you know, I like to use like compartments and stuff to make it easier for things. So like if we put all these in this bag, we can easily carry them to, if they need photographed, we could take them to the photograph station. If they need bagged and all that, we can easily move them over here. So it just makes it easier to move, and it makes things cleaner and less, I don't know, stressful when everything's not feeling so cluttered. So we're gonna try to use those bags more for just up here, just moving things around when we need to, and organizing things that way, just keeping things that are in the same stage of listing together. So we're gonna go ahead and package this stuff off camera, and we'll probably be back later, hopefully with some more sales. So we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, we got that stuff packed up. We've done a little bit around the office. It's been a couple hours, had some lunch. And yeah, so we had what, a few more sales we had to do?
One I just forgot to pull because looking at them on the computer screen was different. So this was in DI. This Patagonia jacket sold for $44.46 plus shipping. I did pay $20 for this at Once Upon a Child up in Denver. I guess they priced their Patagonia more than ours does down here. But yeah, so I already had the mailer for that. So I did pay $20, so I about doubled my money off of that. And then I just had a Poshmark sale come in after Chris shared my closet. So box AB. These had been listed a while. I can tell you how long. Well, at least I've had them since August of last year. So I feel like these probably got listed right away too. So almost a year. Someone offered me $20. I did pay $6.99 for them. So not the best sale, but I'll take it. Since I've had them over 90 days, I'll pretty much accept offers at that point. And then last sale was another one of my son's shirts in box D here. This is the brand Tiny Cottons. It's the first time we've ever had that brand, and it sold for, I forgot to write that on the spreadsheet, $17.10 plus shipping. I bought it off Kitasim for my son, probably for like 20 or something. So making some of my money back on that. Oh, and then, yeah, I've just been working on my shoe listing still. Again, this morning, did not get to work right away. Right before we went on our trip, I bought some stuff at Goodwill. I was typing it in yesterday. I noticed a flaws on a couple pieces, so I took those back because it's a 2-week, you get store credit. So I think today was the last day, so I had to go run those back to get my credit. And then I, of course, had to
Gotta
look
thrift
around
while you're out.
because it's store credit. I had to spend it. So yeah, I went and did that. So I got new stuff, but that just meant I didn't get all my listings up again. So yeah, I've only listed 11 today so far, but I'm gonna keep going. I always say that and then I don't. I did get more up last night. I think we were at 15 when we did the video yesterday, and then I did 8 more last night after the kids went to bed. And then yeah, 11 today so far. We are, like how I say, I want to at least list 3,000 in potential profit. We're at like 2,500, I think. So I don't think we're going to get the 150 listings up for sure this week, but if I can get 100 and surpass that $3,000.
The most important part is the value that we're listing.
Yeah, because my JBF drop off is this night, Monday, and I have I'd say at least 4 bins of stuff to tag still, so I'm gonna need to work on that.
Yeah.
So once I at least hit the 3,000 up here, I'll probably move over to that until I get that done, even if it means not finishing what I had hoped to here. So
we haven't really looked at the weather, but I don't know.
At least this one's
I'm expecting a blizzard this weekend. Right. Based on that, there's a JBF.
But it's only a few miles away at least.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think this is like 7 to 9 p.m. drop off. So I do at least have Monday to work on it, but Mondays are always busy with shipping and everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, I don't want to say I'm happy with what we're... I feel like I've gotten a lot listed this week, even though it's not as much as we wanted.
Yeah.
You were, like, when we say 150, that's with Chris's help, but he's been busy doing different things this week, too. So if he was helping me, we would definitely be further along, but 100's pretty about what I can do on my own.
Yeah.
When I also have to put them away, source them, and everything else, so...
And I have 7 items that I could list and still have, well, I actually have more than that. I still have all that stuff that I have near my desk.
Yeah.
So I'll probably be listing some things. Haven't had too much time to work on listings, but we are, we're only, a couple days in April, and we're off to a good start. We're going to keep going. I don't think we have anything too huge aside from JBF this month.
Our anniversary.
Oh, yes, it is our anniversary.
So we'll probably maybe do a little...
That's pretty big. Yeah, we'll probably do some kind of weekend trip around that time. But that's later in the month, so we'll worry about that in a couple weeks. What is that? The 26th. It's on a Monday. That's not bad. We could do a long weekend kind of thing. So we'll start planning that and figuring that out. How many years has it been? 13? 14?
2008.
We got married in 2008, and yeah, so that's 13 years. This will be the 13th.
Like
if
I'm
my
still
math
like
is correct.
20, so it's just like, how does this make sense? I'm only 20, right?
So we have been, I did clean up a little bit of shoes. Actually, Reese took the spot. He got his spot back. I bagged him up just to make him a little bit easier to move around. And I don't know, we got a little bit more work to do. We have been catching up on the $50 thrift haul videos, which I did my first thrift haul and uploaded that yesterday, our time. So it's probably a few videos ago by now. And yeah, it was very fun. And there was a lot of other YouTubers. So if you haven't seen all of their videos, I highly suggest checking it out. You can kind of see, basically what people can thrift nationwide. And I thought it was pretty cool, pretty fun to do. And we're just trying to finish up watching everybody else's and see all the cool stuff that they found. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and pack up the rest of this stuff off camera. We got to go pick up Connor from school soon. And we're just going to grind away a little bit up here in this evening. And we'll see you guys tomorrow with another What's Sold video. So thank you guys. We'll see you then.